Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to log in with your account. So first of all, open Profile, then click on Tap to Login, and now open your phone in which you've got the app, or if not, you will have the redirection. Scan the QR code and just open it. As you can see, if you have the app already downloaded and installed, you'll be able to log in pretty quickly. Just give it a couple of seconds, and if not, you'll have to download it before entering. Let me just connect the device with Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to provide the password, and after that, the connection would be done. Just give it a couple of seconds. Here you can observe the progress on both devices. And now just mark Sign In. As you can see, it has been signed. Tap on OK to confirm. Network has been configured, and as you can see, everything is set. Now all you have to do is to confirm privacy authorization in the app, and everything is done. Here you can also set the room. Let me set for living room. You can change the name of this device, but let me leave it as it is. And then you can also invite members of your family, but let me don't share it for now. And that's it. That would be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.